Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You're watching Microsoft Office Word 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create hyperlinks in our MS Word document. In my previous tutorial, we have seen how to create hyperlinks to an existing file or web page. Suppose we have prepared a document with used data including different topics. To access them, no need to scroll it down again and again. Instead of this, we can create hyperlinks to those topics on top of our Word document so that we can access them directly by simply clicking once on that link. Here we have different headings like Objective, Microsoft Office Word 2007, Hyperlinks, Microsoft Office Excel 2007 and Conclusion. And let's create a hyperlink for each topic. Select the text, come to Insert menu, click on Hyperlink. This time please select the option Place in this document in link to field. Modify text to display if required. Come to select a place in this document. Here it is showing different topic headings from our document. Select your choice to this hyperlink. I'm selecting Objective. We can also select the bookmarks that we created earlier. I will show you in my next tutorial how to create a bookmark. Again, enter the screen tip. Click OK. Then we will get a hyperlink. When we hover the cursor on this hyperlink, it will show the screen tip. To open this, by pressing Ctrl, click on the link. Then it will automatically take us to the topic. Similarly, let's create one more hyperlink. I'm selecting Microsoft Office Word 2007. Click on Hyperlink. Again, come to Place in this document. Select a place in this document. Click OK. Let's open this. Similarly, I want to create a hyperlinks for hyperlinks topic. Right click, select hyperlink. I'm selecting hyperlinks. OK. After this, I want to create a hyperlink using bookmark. Select the text, right click, select a hyperlink. Come to place in this document. In select a place window, we have bookmark Excel 2007. I'm selecting that. If you want, you can modify the text to display and enter some screen tip. OK. Let's hover the cursor on this hyperlink and it is showing the screen tip bookmark. Let's open this, press Ctrl and click on the link, and automatically it will go to that topic. And sometimes we need to work on a new document in between. Instead of open that from Office button, we can create a hyperlink for this. Select the text, come to Insert menu, click on Hyperlink. Now in link 2, please select to create new document. If you want, you can change the text to display and please enter the name of your new document. And below it is showing the full path where the new document will be created. If you want, you can change its path. I will keep it as default. And also we can select an option when to edit the document. If we choose now, after making the hyperlink, a new document will open where we can edit and save it. Like this, we create this hyperlink to them so that we will remember to work on them later. Here I want to select edit the new document later. Click on OK. Now let's open this and we will get a new document on desktop. And after this, we have the last type of hyperlink that points to an email address, so that when clicked, the default email client will open and begin composing the message using the information from the hyperlink. Let's create that. Select the text, right click, hyperlink, come to email address. In email address field, please type in the following manner: mail to itbot143@gmail.com. Enter subject. We can enter the screen tip. Click OK. Now let's open this. Before this, we need to set up Outlook with our email ID in our computer. Then only default email client will open. And in the to field, it is showing the mail ID, subject invitation. And if you want, we can add more email addresses that the message should be sent to. And come to the workspace, please enter your message text. And finally, click on send. Then it will send this message to addresses that we have mentioned in to field. And if you want to remove a hyperlink, right click on the hyperlink and please select edit hyperlink option. Then it will open edit hyperlink window. Here please select to remove link. Then the hyperlink will return as normal text. Like this we can create hyperlinks in our MS Word document. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.